Here is a quick and flavorful recipe for a traditional raw papaya and green chili sabji. Here I have taken small size raw papaya, nearly 300 gram. Then wash it thoroughly and peel off the dark skin. Chop them into small bite-sized cubes. Since raw papaya takes time to soften, I will steam it first and then we'll give tadka. I will cook raw papaya in pressure cooker as I have to cook dal also, so both will go together. When the air start coming from the nozzle, you can put whistle. After 1 or 2 whistles, lower the heat, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and switch off the gas. After cooling down, you can open the lid. Here we are ready with all the ingredients. For tadka, we need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, green chili paste, curry leaves, half medium sized tomato, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, and some spices to add. Heat oil in a pan or in kadhai over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then you add cumin seed. Add curry leaves, finely chopped green chilies, or you can use green chili paste, and saute them nicely. Add turmeric, ginger garlic paste. Now add chopped tomatoes. Now add soft cooked raw papaya. Add salt to taste. Add coriander powder and mix them nicely. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add coriander leaves now and keep it for few more minutes. If you want little tangy flavor, then you can add lemon juice in it. Now the spicy, delicious raw papaya green chili sabji is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.